Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add the postage stamp to your eBay parcel. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the parcel that you made, the printout that you receive when it comes to dispatching the product on eBay, so we can now bring everything into the frame. Scissors, tape, a plastic bag to cover the paper. So the postage stamp and the receipt and the invoice and the star of the show itself, the eBay parcel. So the paper that we have printed out can now be folded once and twice. Stuck on top of the box. The plastic can be added to the paper itself just for protection, to keep it secure from rain. So that's been folded up. Now we can bring the tape. I usually cut 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, number 4, and then add to the box itself. So that's number 1, number 2, 3, and number 4. So that is done. The product was dispatched today. Collection will be for Tuesday. The UPS man will come to our office, call us that we want to take your product. I'll say yes, here you go. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial unboxing video. Thanks for now.